Target is a concealed ammunition depot.
Equipped with the most advanced sensors and weapons Wings can bear, we struggle to prevent the conflict from spreading further.
1 and 2, intention, GPU 49. 3, ready to pop up and buddy lays. 4, air-to-air cover.
An unarmed country desired for its strategic value, it would be overrun any day. So we fly to keep them safe.
1 and 2, leaving IP. 3, captured. 1 and 2, bombs away. Lazy. 10 seconds.
We are Gripen pilots. We fly.
Matrix, Eagle 1. The place is deserted. As always.
The area we uphold is vast, but we can stay in the air for hours and nothing escapes our watching eyes.
There is a man here. Switching to infrared. This is not good. Matrix, Eagle 1. There's a whole army down there.
What's that she said?
Tanks, SAMs, everything.
Put her on 1. Let's see what she's got. How did they get all that past us?
It's a full invasion force. Less than an hour from the capital. We don't have the resources to stop them.
We can't battle them in the field, but we can take out Kanoa Bridge and cut them off. But that's an important bridge for the people we're here to help. We need top-level clearance.
Yes, sir.
Want this happen quick before they have a chance to put SAMs there to protect that bridge.
Well, 4-ship Kingdom is returning from the morning mission. They're still 45 minutes or so from the base. But to save time, we can have them land on this road.
That's a little short for a fighter.
It's more than enough for Gripen.
Stay off the road.
We'll bring in weapons and fuel from the bombed airfield. Turnaround doesn't take long. They'll be heading for the bridge in no time.
Okay, make it happen. And tell Mr. President, unless he wants visitors, we need that clearance now.
Mr. President. Mr. President, they need your decision.
Kingdom 1, red green light. Target, Kanoa Bridge.
Release point, bullseye.
18030 miles.
Copy, green light. Primary target is Kanoa Bridge. Release point, bullseye, 18030 miles. Approaching RP. Estimated time, 12 minutes. Bogey, 1 o'clock. Closing. 1 and 2 will continue on heading. 3 and 4, commit for VID.
We meet them out here from time to time. They know we don't fire without warning, so they make us come in close.
Turn south. Leave the area now.
They also know we carry Meteor and Iris T, so they never engage. But of course, things change.
Jeez, heads up. He's leaning you. Declared hostile. Missile, 11 o'clock. 4, spy defending. Releasing flares. The missile passed you. Keep braking left. You'll meet almost head on. That was close. You have a clean shot of him. Soon. I'm rotating high above you. He's lost all his energy. Have you now. Engaging. Lock 2. Splash 1. Green lane 060.
One thing about shooting your enemies out of the sky, it draws attention.
Matrix, Kingdom 1. New picture. 6 groups wall. 50 miles wide along the border. Eastern group, bullseye 210. 60 miles. Bandit, the way is blocked.
And the enemy is moving out? It won't take them long to reach the bridge.
You have to get to the release point now.
Roger that. Kingdoms, spread out. Formation box.
They outnumber us, but we have the information advantage. Our radar is superior. We have the world's most advanced tactical link. What one sees, all of us know.
Heads up, 2 incoming missiles. 1 and 2, skate. 3 and 4, monitor when we pump. Roger, 2, engaging.
BVR combat. It's the one with the best weapons, tactics, and knowledge of the opponent's weaknesses who eventually wins. Problem is, we can't wait for eventually.
This is what we'll do. 3 and 4 target southern, south, middle, and western group. I will target southeastern and eastern group with meteors. 2, stay low level and be ready to head for the target. Roger that. On your mark. Meteor 1 locked on. It's gonna hit. Now go! 2 heading for off-peak. Kingdom 2, missiles away.
Missiles approaching target. Eagle 1, ready to damage report. Estimated impact in 3, 2, 1, now.
Delta Hotel. The target is destroyed. The enemy retreats.
Good job, everybody.
All units, return to base.
Eagle 1 RTB.
4-ship Kingdom, returning to base.
Why are we here? Because we make a difference. We are Gripen pilots. We fly.
Warship Kingdom, today we provide air cover to the engineers. It's an important mission. They're building a bridge.